Phule. Savitribai Phule was the first female teacher of India and a social reformer. She was born 3rd January 1831 in the village Naigaon in Satara district of Maharashtra. Savitribai was married to Jyotirao Phule in 1840 at the age of 9. Thank you. And I am going to sing a song. जीवनाची दशा झाली होती अशी, आली तू धावूनी सावित्री, आई तू ज्ञानाची राहिली सावित्री, आई तू ज्ञानाची राहिली. जीवनाची दशा